Hey, what's up, everyone? This is the watch this video for Thursday, June 30th, last day of June, last day of the quarter. Showing you the SPY here. Look at the narrow candle today compared to any recent candle. It was really dead. Here's 5 minute. Hold on, I've got after hours on here. Let me get that off. And if you look at it, it's just like a sideways chop. You could kind of picture a line through the middle of the day, and it crossed up and down through the line all day long. An aggravating day if you're a day trader and you're looking for a bunch of setups because you're not going to find them, right? The good thing is when you look for A plus setups, you know what those are. A day like today pretty much keeps you on the sidelines, right? So hopefully tomorrow there'll be a little bit more action. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, go right into the watch list. So here we go. TRVI attempted a breakout today, but ended up closing about where it opened, right? We're going to keep our eyes on it, though, because it had big volume. Had good news this morning. MSPR kind of flagging below 3. I'm going to put that one back on watch. NRSN. Over today's high, which would be over 316, you look to the left and you say, hey, we've got a high of 330 just above. We may have some shorts caught on the wrong side of this if that happens. So we'll see if we get an A plus setup in it tomorrow. DBTX, big volume, pretty strong close. I'm going to keep our eyes on that one tomorrow. Remember, I make my money between the bells. I'm in cash every night. GROV, a really ugly daily. It looked like it hit new all-time lows today, and then a big reversal to the upside. Actually halted on an intraday basis because it made such a move, and then opened up here. Anyway, held up pretty well. So I think it's worth keeping on watch tomorrow for any kind of follow-through of that bounce. IFRX, interesting to me because it had nice volume yesterday, topped at 155, and lo and behold, topped at 155 again today. So over that area, maybe it gets going. FEMY, you also have a two-day high of this 278 yesterday. Oh, I'm sorry, 277 today. Anyway, over that 278 area, maybe we test and break out above that recent high of 297. So that one's pretty interesting and holding up really well. So one of the more interesting ones to me. STRO had the gap up yesterday, and today kind of a quiet inside day. Just looking for a third day play there. AMC goes back on long watch for tomorrow. BRCC, which is Black Rifle Coffee, had nice volume today and a pretty nice push. Hats off to Peter C in chat today. I put this on the room radar when it was looking like this. I said, this thing's really strong. Let's watch for a pullback. Peter's idea was a second mouse back through 9, which happened right there. And lo and behold, it goes and takes out the high of day, goes all the way to 984, which is a pretty neat little move in 5, 10, 15, and about 20 minutes, right? A break of 9 got you an 84-cent move and a nice alert by Peter C in chat. Anyway, that one goes back on watch for tomorrow. IMTE, a very ugly daily chart. But it's so beaten up and had nice volume today and went out pretty close to the highs that I am going to put it on watch for a possible follow-through of today's high. ENDP, big rip yesterday, quiet inside day today, looking for a possible third day play there. LYT, I don't know that I've ever seen a stock do this. I mean, I'm sure I have, but it went from 42.65 yesterday down to 5.15, and then obviously a much more narrow range today, but never did break its early high. We certainly want to be careful with something that did this because there's got to be some nasty reason behind it. But having said that, if we get a narrow range for a while tomorrow and then a break out of that range to the upside, you might get some short covering. So whenever I have something that's extremely beaten up in the very short term, I do put it on bounce watch, and that's what I'm doing with LYT. And then lastly, AMD, 3 days in a row down to new recent lows. I think that's overdue for a possible bounce. We'll see. We'll see if it gives us an A plus setup. And again, short and sweet tonight. I'm done babbling. We'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.